guys, so today I'm going to be opening a Mini Brands Fill the Fridge from Zaru. And yeah, I got the Fill the Fridge, and these back here are all the Mini Brands that I already have. So I got these like crackers, I got these mints, I got ramen, and I got a $1,000 bill. And yeah, I'm just gonna open this. And open this. So first let's peel this. I'm really bad at opening these. I peel this way. Magnet. I'm pretty sure this is a magnet. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I think it's a record player. And I got a checklist. And this is my first time opening the Fill the Fridge, so I don't already have like a checklist that already has things checked off. So my first time with this series. So let's open this yellow bag. I got a bottle. I think we're gonna check everything off at the end. I got a burger and fries. I'm pretty sure this is like, it says oats, so I'm pretty sure it's like oats. Yeah, I got that. I've tried something like that before. This bag. Oh, I got a lobster. Some milk, I think this. Yep, this is milk. And I got thick cut bacon. I do really love bacon. So, this is everything I got. Everything I got. I got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got a total of 7 items. I'm very happy about that because now I can add all of these items to my collection. Now we can get the checklist and check off everything I got. So the first thing we got was a lobster. for a fridge magnet, we got the record. We put this on the fridge later. And so on the other side, it's the bacon. So that bacon was a rare. Let's see. Can you look at it? No. So, I did get a luxury, and that's the burger and fries. So. Terrible check mark. That's just my dog. I got the milk. Oats comes out. Put it back in the jar. So and that's everything I got today. My collection. Of everything. I think my favorite thing I got today was the bacon, the milk, probably the burger, fries. Just because I like how they come out, and I like how you can put them back in and put them back in their package. Or I like the magnet.